Hey friend, welcome to the Self-Care Isn't Selfish podcast. I'm your host, Emily Nichols. I'm a self-care coach who is on a mission to help you get your body and mind fit through simple and sustainable self-care habits. And I get it. I'm a busy working boy mom who used to feel like a hot mess all the time until I found a solution, my own self-care routine. And friend, I want that for you too. Join us each week to hear attainable self-care tips for all areas of your life from my amazing guests or quickie episodes with me sharing my own experiences and professional wellness knowledge. After each episode, you'll leave with an action plan to start making self-care a priority in your life and get your body and mind fit. So grab a cup of coffee, glass of wine, or your favorite sparkling water, and let's do this. Hey friend. Welcome to this bonus episode of the Self-Care Isn't Selfish podcast. And guess what? This is the last time you'll hear me call the show by that name. I seriously just got really teary-eyed saying that. I have been going through a period of change, evolution, transformation in my life this past year, personally and professionally. And as I've been going through that growth, it's been feeling very uncomfortable, scary, nervous. Like my palms are sweating just telling you that what I'm about to tell you. But I'm leaning into change and growth because I know it's important and I know it's going to allow me to serve you and even more women to the best of my ability. So next Monday, the 15th, you will notice there is a brand new name to my podcast. You'll see a new name for the show, a new cover art, new everything. And I truly am excited. I know I sounded very like melancholy and sad, but I'm truly very excited. And I can feel a sense of change coming about, and it's a good thing. It's a really, really good thing. So if you are a member of my Facebook community, you guys already heard about this. You heard about it in my weekly Sunday live. You've been seeing some posts about it. But I wanted to invite my podcast listeners, you friend, you right there listening. If you haven't had a chance to come over to my free Facebook community, there's a link in the show notes to join me over there. But we are having a pre-launch party. It's been so much fun. So everyone over there has been getting some previews and quite a few hints here and there and some hidden messages about what the new podcast name is going to be. I wonder if anyone has figured it out yet. DM me if you think you know what it is. But to continue, celebrating and having fun and celebrating growth, because this is growth for all of us, not just me, but for you listening. I'm going to do a free live 3-day workshop. It's going to begin this Sunday the 14th and go through Tuesday the 16th. I promise it's not going to take up a lot of time because I know your time is very, very precious. But this is a workshop all about debunking self-care. So self-care is such a big buzzword right now. It's a very polarizing term, if you will, because a lot of people have various definitions of what it could be. So I want to debunk what that looks like and really start helping you redefine what self-care looks like for you. So each day, Sunday the 14th, I'll be going live at 7:30 p.m. Eastern. That Monday and Tuesday, I'll be going live at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. If you can't join me live, no worries. The replays will be living there within the Facebook group. Remember, again, there's a link in the show notes to join us over there. But each day, I'll be doing a quick 15-minute workout with you. I'll be leading you through a workout. All fitness levels are welcome. No equipment is needed. There's options for everybody and every workout I've ever done. If you've ever done a workout for me, I always provide options. But we're just going to move our bodies, get our endorphins going, feeling good. And after we've opened up our minds, our breath, our hearts, everything, we're just going to have a quick 15-minute chat together about how we're debunking self-care in 3 various areas. So our physical, mental, and emotional health, or self-care in those areas, and what it really does look like and how you can start taking action in those few areas as well. Okay, so that's just my free gift to you, a way for us to have some fun together, have some short little conversations together, and continue this party into the launch of the new podcast name. But as my friends in my Facebook community know as well, I've been doing a fun giveaway, and I want to invite you to join in on this giveaway as well. So step number 1, my Facebook community's already been doing this and it's been really great. You can head over there and invite a friend. There's a pinned post in the announcements where you are able to tag your friend you invited to our community over there, and you will be entered in for a giveaway. I'll tell you what the prize is in just a moment. The second way you can enter, another bonus way you can enter, is to head over to iTunes and type out a review for the show. If you have been loving what we have been putting out, the content, and you feel like you've been finally able to start putting yourself first without the guilt and taking action in regards to what self-care looks like for you, leave a review, leave a written review. The more reviews we have, it makes it easier to find the show for other women like you. Okay, so after you write your review, take a screenshot, share it to your Instagram stories, and tag me at Emily Nichols22. And that's your other entry. If you're like, I don't want to do Instagram, that's okay. Come on over to the Facebook community, share that screenshot in the comments on that tagged post, and that will be an entry for you as well. So, do you want to know the prize? It's really exciting. So, whoever wins this giveaway, you and a friend, so you and your bestie or your sister, your mom, whoever, will win 4 virtual private personal training sessions with me. So we'll get together over Zoom. We'll just do a live workout together. And at the end, we'll have a little bonus mindset habit coaching with each other, because it's not just about moving your body. It's about the internal changes and the actions, the habits you build every day in order to start having massive transformation in your life. And you know what the foundation of that is? It's self-care. Absolutely, absolutely. So head on over to my Facebook community, click the link in my show notes so you can join the pre-launch party, join the free 3-day debunking self-care workshop, and just start inviting your friends to come as well, because the more women that hear this message, the better. And like I said, another way you can do that is by leaving a review in iTunes. So it feels good to get that out. It feels very emotional too, because when I started this show, I felt like God put the title in my head and my heart, Self-Care Isn't Selfish. And it's something that I truly, in my heart of hearts, I'm going to get emotional again, truly believe that self-care isn't selfish. I had to go on my own journey and find out what that meant for me and what actions that meant for me in order to start feeling my best. And I'm a better mom, a wife, friend, sister, daughter because of it. And I want you to go through that massive transformation as well and feel lit up for your own life. I want you to do that guilt-free. I want you to find the time to make the time for yourself, because I know what it feels like to be on the other side of that. Yeah, it's what I'm truly passionate about, what my mission is, and what I feel like is my God-given talent and reason I'm here on earth, is to help inspire other women to find the best versions of themselves and live a life empowered, confident, and just lit up. So I'll share more on Monday's episode when we reveal the new podcast name, about the journey to renaming the show, what the new show name is, all of the stress and overwhelm that went along with that. And my Facebook community, I don't know if you know this or not, but you guys, Sunday night, the first day of my workshop, especially, you all will get a preview of the new podcast title and the cover art. I'm so excited. This has been an exciting journey. Scary. Kind of feel like I'm going to puke, but hey, it's all good. It's all good. So thank you for being on this journey with me. This podcast is not about me. It's about you. And the reason we're changing it is to be able to serve you and serve other women even more at a higher level, higher capacity, because that's what you deserve. Okay? So for the last time, please remember, self-care isn't selfish. See you in the Facebook community for the pre-launch party, and see you Monday the 15th for the reveal of the new podcast name. Love you all.